Hello everyone, welcome to Lavanya Tech Vlogs. Today I have come back with a basic arithmetic calculator as yesterday's, but by using user-defined functions. What are user-defined functions? Let us learn. User-defined functions are defined by the user, so he can call them back at any time and use it. Now see, diff add a comma b. That means it is a add function. I have given my own add function so that instead of using operator, I am calling here add. I have given myself as a add function and here a subtract function. And as you know in the Python, you will see mostly print and input function. Print function is just works like a printing a message, whatever you have given inside the print function. And when you call the variables, it gives the values of the variables. And coming to input function, it acts like a user defined function where we get the values from the user. It is called as inbuilt function in Python. Now look here, here add function, this was the function defined by me, and subtract, and look here divide function, and here exponential floral division. These are such functions, and multiply, divide, exponential and floral division. As you know, these are the operators of arithmetic calculation. And now let us check this. Here is a basic arithmetic calculator using user defined function and user defining function. And see here comes user input. A equal to int input, enter your number. B equal to int input, enter your number. And these are the user defined function. These are the user defined functions. And now coming to selecting the operators. Now the user need to select the operator. So for that also I have given a variable called operator and input, enter your operator. And this is how same works like yesterday's, like basic calculator program. And now you understood what is a defining, and here you have get one confused like what are a comma b, add a comma b. These are the parameters, like I can give any type of parameters here, a comma b or x comma y, and return a plus b. That means I'm asking the operation of addition here. Here I'm asking the operation of return a minus b. After taking the values from the user, the return the operation called a minus b, and return a minus b. Now let me execute whole program. And as you know, from here selecting the operation, if operator is plus, this is a condition, followed by operator equal to plus. If it is plus, then the result, print the result. That means add a comma b as you have given in the first one. And else if comes if it is not happening with the if it is not going to perform the calculation, if I am not going to ask the operator plus, that means it is going to check the next condition, that is else if, that is subtraction. And if I have not given even the subtraction, like if I have given the multiplication, then it goes to the next operator and checks with the else if, with the next condition. Like this it follows on to the conditions. And if I am going to give the operation plus in the beginning itself, at the first condition only the statement is going to be satisfied and it is going to give the output. Else if it go on checks with the next condition. And I am going to save this and just see, I am going to run this program. I have been running this program. Okay, enter your number. I am going to give for 50, enter. I am going to give like 20, enter. Something has been missed, sorry, just wait, and let me do once, control yes, run it, enter your number, it's going to be 50, enter, and enter your other number, it's going to be 5, enter. And it is asking enter your operations. Now I am going to give the operation like addition, enter. See, it has been calculated as the addition as 55. And let us check with the division, multiplication and subtraction. Okay, now I am going to give here like 60, and I am going to give next number like 40, and I am going to give the subtraction differences. 60 minus 40 is the result has been like 20. Then let us go with the multiplication exponential in the same way. I am going to give as 40, I am going to give as 25, and I am going to give the operator like multiplication. It became 1000. Okay, then let us check with all the operations, and here comes 50. Enter. I am going to give 5 and I am going to give the division. See, 10.5. Our result is like 10.5. See, 10, sorry. And now let's go with the floral division. What is floral division? It is going to be the roundup of the division. Now I am going to give us 50 and I am going to give us 3. It is going to be the roundup of the division. Then I am going to give the floral division. See, you have got 16 as the answer. The round figure, if it is going to be some point 16.5, but it is going to give you only the result as 16. Now let me go for the exponential. 40 and I am giving the figure like 5 and I am going to give as into exponential and 40 to the power of 5. So this is how we are going to run a basic calculator using the defining our own functions. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to Lavanya Tech Blogs.